Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Carissa and I live in Victoria, BC. And yeah, today I went for a really beautiful walk, and so I'll put some of those clips in here because I got to see a couple river otters, some interesting ducks, a kingfisher. I think it was a kingfisher, unless it was like a stellar jay. And yeah, just some really nice fall foliage, and yeah, a deer, you know, just a little of this and that. So yeah, and yeah, just what can I tell you guys lately? I haven't done a video for a bit. So last video I did, oh, was my roller skating video. So yeah, that's almost a week ago now, because today's Monday. Oh, and yeah, and that was last Wednesday. What have I done since then? That I went to Feast and Fellowship that night, but I got there like at 7, so the dinner part was over with, and I actually didn't go into the lecture. I normally do, but I didn't. I ended up just talking to a friend of mine, and then I decided I was going to go home because I was starving. I hadn't had dinner. And then, so that was Wednesday, so Thursday and Friday, I literally can't remember what I did. I think I just like did the usual like chores around the house, cleaning, that kind of stuff. Went for a couple walks, but I didn't do any vlogging, played my ukulele. Oh, and then Saturday I got to see my cousins, which was really awesome because we haven't seen each other since we were kids, basically. So I will insert a picture here. And Sunday I went to church. It was a really awesome sermon. The music was awesome. And yeah, other than that, can you see my guinea pig pillows? That's so funny, they're in the background. I didn't even notice that. Mark went up to Port Hardy to go on a scuba diving boat trip, and he left Sunday, and he's not back till Thursday. So it's kind of weird. I had a hard time sleeping last night, and then I had weird dreams about like working at old jobs and stuff. It was really weird. But yeah, today I've just been kind of, like I said, I went for a walk. I've been just doing stuff around the house. And yeah, that's about it. So I guess if there's anything interesting, I will include it here. Bye for now. So hey guys, this is Turkey Head. It's in Oak Bay, and I had just gone on a walk here. So yeah, this is just me giving you a view of the ocean, and I'll kind of walk out towards the point of it, of Turkey Head, and then I'll come back. There's a couple loons right there. And yeah, and I just go for like a little walk through Oak Bay. That's what this is all about. There's a river otter there. So I noticed when I was watching this that it looks like this river otter has something in its mouth, and I wondered if maybe she might have babies in the drain pipe where she goes. It's a weird time of year. I don't know when they have their babies, but yeah, you can see she's carrying something. Later, she goes out and she's in the water with another river otter. Anyways, yeah, I just thought I'd point that out. So neat. Look, guys. Oh, so cool. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. Your baby's across the street. Hi guys. I'm just on the Bay, or not the Bay Street Bridge, the Admiral's Bridge by the gorge. And I thought I'd just show you how beautiful the water is so flat today. Look at that, the reflection. The reflection's like perfect. Anyway, so I'm gonna head over. There's a coffee shop just in there, and then I'm gonna come back and do a little walk. So I'll take you along for it. There's the other side of the bridge. Look at those fall colors, they're so nice. And look at the trees down there. Oh, they're so red. Look at those trees though. Wow, they're just brilliant. I've been down here before, meeting up a friend of mine, but today I'm by myself. I'm not sure what I'm gonna have. Cheers. Off we go. This is where I swim in the summer. We go down here and we swim all across here, go to the other side where that White House is. Sometimes we swim up the gorge where those houses are and around the corner. Yeah, in the summer, basically it's the warmest place in Victoria to swim, but apparently in the winter it's one of the coldest places. But yeah, it's awesome. It gets up to like 24 sometimes, 24 degrees Celsius. So it's really nice to swim here, and peaceful too. Although I guess it doesn't sound that peaceful with all the traffic, but once you're in there swimming, and it's like, yeah, it's really nice. This is an old building. I think it's a daycare now, but it used to be a school. Yeah, it's a heritage building. I'll see if I can find the plaque. Let's see if there is one. Well, that's all it really says. Anyways, you can probably Google it. But look at this. Oh, it's so nice. Let's go down and look closer. Ugh. It's really beautiful. There's the school from this angle. I hope I'm not stepping in any poop. People have picnics in the spring and summer here. Wow, so different at this time of year because it doesn't have all the eelgrass. I mean, you can probably see, I wonder if there's a little bit of it left. Looks so clear though. That yellow building up there is a nursing home. Okay, let's keep going. And this is the spot that we always sit. you up to? So cute. It's pretty shallow here. Somebody left their water bottle. Whoa, look at this tree. Wow. Beautiful. These are different. Look at these bottomos. Something there? Does anyone know what these are? They're so pretty. So the color is so loud. This is a really awesome place to paddleboard. We went paddleboarding through here this summer as well. We got as far as the Tillicum Bridge, starting from the beach at the beginning that I showed you. It's just really, usually pretty calm in here. The water's flat. The only thing that you have to know is that there is a current at certain times. So usually what I do is at least when I'm swimming, paddleboarding, it doesn't seem to matter that much. But when I'm swimming, I always make sure that I go against the current at the beginning so that I can float back with it after when I'm tired. Look at this beautiful eucalyptus tree. Look at it. Wow. Its trunk is really cool. Whoa. The road is right next to the walkway here. And then it comes back down here. And then there's the canoe club. You can rent canoes and kayaks. Oh, your tail. Oh.
Everybody wants to meet everybody.
There's some of the boats. Here it's Victoria Canoe and Kayak Club. There's a dock here. It's pretty muddy here, so I don't think anyone actually swims right here. Like off of this dock like they do in Banfield. Banfield is like farther down the gorge and it's deeper and a lot of people swim there. And there's like quite a few docks that you can swim off of. Well, it's one, but it's connected and it's really long. Whoa, that's so pretty, look. Oh. And there's a playground here in a parking lot. What's this? Kamosang. And then that's pretty much it. Like, it just goes up to the road now. I just can't get over all these beautiful leaves. Just how vibrant the colors are. So yeah, I just end up here. Gorge Road West and Tillicum Road. There's a sign here. Let's see what it says. Oh, it's the Gorge Waterway Park. I'm gonna go back now. Well, that was just a short little walk. I hope you enjoyed it. And I am now on my way back to the car. Gonna go do some grocery shopping. And I have to stop at the library because I want to print out a few ukulele songs, like the chords and stuff, to practice. See you later, man. Guys, there's an eagle. You see him? Oh, where is he? I hope you guys can see him. He's circling. The sun is blinding me. I can't tell if the camera is focusing on him. Whew, it is hot in here. All right, let's go now grocery shopping. Whew, I had to take my jacket off, it was so hot. All right, I'm gonna go in Save on Foods. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I know I have to get some stuff for the pets, like veggies. But other than that, I don't know. I kind of feel like I want some licorice. All right, let's go. Why did I say Save On? I'm going to Thrifties. Daft. I don't enjoy shopping. Okay. I was gonna go to the library today and print out some music sheets, but you know what? I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just gonna write them out. I just don't feel like it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that little tiny vlog. Not a lot happened, but we got to see that cool river otter and some awesome scenery. Today is Wednesday and I'm gonna go to Feast and Fellowship later. But that's about it. So I hope you liked this short, tiny, little, uneventful vlog. Love you guys. Bye.